Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Peugeot 508 heater core. Keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right, and this process is not applicable for countries that are right-hand drive with the steering on the left. And also we'll need to be removing the glove box because the heater core will not come out. As you can see, it will get stuck. So I'll put a link in the description below of how to remove the glove box. Moving on, we would also need to remove these covers over here as they are in front of the heater core and we need to have access, so we'll need to remove these covers. This trim is only held on by clips and the cover underneath is held on by 2 torque screws, which you will need to remove. Now that this cover is off, on some models, not every model, there is a bracket over here that's in front of the heater core. And this bracket runs from over here. It's only held on by 2 nuts over here. And the bracket would run up and there'll be another 2 nuts up there, which you'll need to remove this bracket. Not all models are the same, but just keep that in mind. That's how you remove that one. Now for the heater core itself, we'll need to remove these clips that hold the heater core and the pipes together. This is how you remove the clips. It's the same idea for both sides, or both clips. And then when the clips are off, make sure you have a tray as water will come out. And then pull off the pipes. Next, for the heater core itself, there are 4 torque screws that you'll need to remove. Remove the 4 torque screws, and then whilst pulling the pipes away from the heater core, you do not have to pull too much. Just slide the heater core out and put in the replacement. Make sure the O-ring seals, the black ones on the ends of the pipes are there, and then slide the heater core out. Please watch the video in full before attempting. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.